Hey guys, and welcome back. My name is Saif, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can easily use Doodle to customize your own booking page. So let's get started. First of all, you can sign up from here to create your account, or you can just log in your account. Now I will use Google to log in, and I'm going to pick my account from here. And this is how your Doodle will look like. So in order to start creating your own booking page, you can press on here. However, you will need to first connect to your own calendar. I have connected it previously. If you haven't connected it yet, you can just go to manage and connect your own calendar on the platform you want. So you have all these platforms that you can use to connect your calendar. Now let's go back. And let's press on create a new booking page. So now you can insert the details of your booking page. So let's say, for example, I am giving sessions for time management. So I will call the title time management settings, time management sessions, sorry. And you can see here that Doodle has automatically created a booking page link for you. You can change it if you want, or you can just leave it as it is. Now you can insert a description, which is optional. I will say, for example, this session offers fundamental knowledge for time management. And now I can choose a location if it's offline, or I can just choose video conferencing if it's online. Now I can detect the event duration and availability. So let's say, for example, I want this meeting or this session to be 30 minutes long. I can also choose the date range. So if I want to let the booking available for just a month, I can just choose 1 month into future. So after this month is finished, the booking will automatically be unavailable, and the people who have booked the session will be the only one who can attend it this way. You can also custom a date range from here. So if I choose this, it will ask me from to. So basically, in between these two dates, the booking will be available. Otherwise, it will not be. I will choose a period, and I will choose 1 month into future. Next, you can decide the time which is suitable for you, or in which you are available to be booked. So here you can see that Doodle has automatically created days for you and time intervals. So basically it assumed that you will be available every day from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. except for weekend. So you can change it, or you can just copy it. You will need first to make sure that your country or time zone is set correctly, and then you can edit these options. You can either deactivate any day if you are not available in this day, or you can just go to edit from here and choose the time interval that you are gonna be free within. So let's say 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. for example, and I will not be available on Wednesday, and I will just leave the rest of the days as they are. Now I can also access on some power settings, like here you can set event duration, you can set buffer time and more options. You can also set the maximum number of bookings per day. So I can say 10, for example, although I don't know what it's really useful for. It may be useful if you have a limited capability to give a lecture to some people, so you don't want many people to book for you and you will not be able to fulfill the requirements, so that you just limit the number of people that can book you in a single day. You can connect your calendars here. However, I just connected my own calendar. You can send a reminder for participants so that they will get a notification before the event. You can also custom invite your friends from here, so you can just ask someone for his email and custom field or question, and it will be sent automatically. So basically, you cannot change any of these two fields because they are mandatory. Any user, no matter what the questions are, will have to give up his email and his name. Now you can add more fields, like you can add any question you want, and you can make it required or not mandatory, and you can just delete it. So you can also add responses to your calendar events here. And once you are done, you can go and create and share from here. And you can also preview it from here. So if I clicked on preview, it will show me how it looks like if I was a user. And this is how it will look like. So basically, I can book all these days. So as you can see, Wednesdays are not available, and Sundays and Saturdays are not available as well. And here you can choose the time you want to book your meeting or book your event. So this is basically how it will look like to users. So if you are satisfied with this result, you can share invites. If you are not, you can edit. So here I will just go and press on share invite, and invite link is copied. So now you can share it to any people you want. You can share it by email campaign or SMS campaign, or you can just land it on your page or on your website. So this is how you can create your own booking page. There is also another features for Doodle that you can use. So let's explore them. Here you can create a poll or create one-to-one meeting. Actually, one-to-one meeting is basically similar to creating a new booking page. However, it's just one-to-one. So you will be with just an individual in this meeting. So it will not need any extra details to be emphasized. Now I will go to group pool and we will explore this one. So basically, group pool, the idea of a group pool is to set many dates, and your audience or the people who will book you will have the choice to vote for a specific date, and so this date which has the highest number of votes will be the one for your own meeting. So I can just name the same title, time management sessions, and I will just leave the description for now. Location, video conferencing, they are the same exact details as before, and here you can just go and press on the dates that you want. So all these dates will be displayed in the form of a poll to your audience. You can also add more settings. However, they are for the pro versions only, for the subscription plans. Now, after you are done here, you can go and create and share. By clicking on create and share, here you can see that you can invite, you can edit or share invite from here, and this is a preview of the available days that people will see and will have to choose from. Once you are done, you can press on share invite, and you can just go and share this link with your audience by the same options like campaigns or websites. So this is basically how easy you can use Doodle. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you liked this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.